In this video, we will be talking about the methods to find the LCM of two numbers using the Python code. So the logic here is simple. There are two numbers assigned, one is 2, another one is 9, and we are printing the LCM of two numbers, and here we are calling the function that is underscore LCM, providing the passing the two numbers, that is 2 and 19. The control comes here, from control here to here comes here, and with the two values, that is 2 and 9. X is 2, y is 9. It will check whether 2 is greater than 9. No. So that's what it comes here, else part, and the greater is assigned with the value of 9. So while true, yes, it comes here. If the greater, that is 9 modulus 2 is exactly 0. No, because that is the odd number. Greater is the 9 and modulus is the x is the 2 number, so that doesn't become 0. Modulus of 9 modulus of 2 doesn't become 0, and this also doesn't become 0. This becomes this one. So since we are using the AND condition, if either one of them fails, it comes out of the loop. And greater is increased with the value of the greater is increased with the 1, and greater is increased with the 1. And when the true while loop is completed, so the LCM is returned. The returned LCM is printed here. So let's run and see the code. So LCM of 2 and 9 is 18. That is true. So if you want, you can try with some more values. LCM of 2 and 8. Try with 2 and 8. The LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. Okay. There's one more method to compute the LCM of two numbers using the greatest common divisor, GCD method. So here we have the code. We will be discussing about this one. We have two numbers, that is 12 and 14. Print will be called here. It has got compute LCM number 1. This is a function which called here compute LCM. So the logic here is simple. Multiply two numbers, that is number 1 and number 14 row, that will be divided by the GCD of the two numbers. So just compute GCD, the control will be passed here, and it will calculate the GCD of the two numbers. It will check whether y is true. So x will be assigned the y value, y will be assigned the x modulus y value. Once it is done, it returns the x. Here the value comes, and that whatever the computed value is, that will be assigned to LCM, and it returns the LCM. That control comes here, and LCM is printed. Let's see. We don't make it complicated, we'll make it very simple. 2 and 9 is 18. LCM of 2 and 9 is 18, so we should display the 18. Right, displayed the LCM is 18. I hope you guys understand the this explanation of how to find the LCM of using the normal method and using the GCD method. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my video.